In this video, I'll show you how to add roles on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, when it comes to adding roles on Discord, you can do a lot of things, right? So, if you look right here, you can see the only role I got here is the founder role. And if you want to add role, what you need to do, you need to select, let's say, if there are like 50 members right here in my server, right? What you need to do to give them these roles, you just, let me say, I'll just click on this, right? You're going to see this plus icon. You can see the add role here. Click on the add row. I can add myself up as the owner as well, add myself as an entrepreneur, I can add myself as a manager if I want. So because we don't have any member in this server, I'm gonna use this as an example, right? I'll click on this. I'm gonna add it. Let me say I'm gonna add this row to it, right? Because I just do this, I can still add this row, any row to it as well. So this is basically how you can add rows on Discord. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. See you all in the next one.